to the Flying Cobras.
Walk through those gates before you go up on the Flying Cobra. You have security survival articles. Pull down on that shoulder harness and buckle the safety belt. We will be going around shortly to check your restraints if you have any questions.
Featuring your sit you please sit seat right. Facing this time, please push up on your shoulder harness.
If you're ready, then spaghetti!
Spaghetti!
Goodbye. Unbuckle your safety belt. Unbuckle one next to the right hand downstairs. Thank you for riding. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Carowinds.
And on stop. At that time,